Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the Google Merchant Center Shopify verification. Let's get started. So in here, I have here my actual Shopify, and in the next tab, I have here the Google Merchant Center. So I have already signed up my account on Google Merchant Center. You just need to do so. And in here, as you can see, I need to add the Google and YouTube app in Shopify to set up the Merchant Center. So let's head right to our Shopify and scroll down right here in order to click on Add Apps. So in here, let's scroll down again, click on the Shopify App Store. Then this will open a new tab. And on this new tab, we can just click on this Google and YouTube right here. If you can't see this, just search for it. So let's click on this one. Then from in here, click on Install right here. And then this will ask you the permission to grant access to this page by installing it. So in here, as you can see, this will load for a while, and then in here you should be able to see the install button. So click on install. Once you have clicked on that, it should be able to be installed on your actual Shopify. So this will load again in a few moments, and it will show us our actual scene right here. So in here, you can now see the Google and YouTube as it's already installed. And in here, click on Connect Google account. And in here, just sign up the Google that you use on your Google Merchant Center. And then from in there, just choose the account or brand. So just choose account or this right here. But since we're just using the Google as an official, let's click on this one. And then click on continue. Then click on continue again. And then scroll down until you click on allow. And then from in there, this will load for a while in order to see the setup. So this is what it looks like, and through your Google account, the emails, you can actually turn this on. You can add an online store, you can add a refund policy, you can confirm with the added to contact information, all of these things right here. So make sure that you do all of these things. So after you do all of these things, you just need to connect your Google Merchant account. We need to verify that it's you, and just need to choose or do whatever in terms of these ones. So let's first create that online store. So when you click on a link, it will ask you to create the online store right here, which is password enabled. So if you already have a store, which is I do, in here you just need to put in homepage title. So let's put in home right here. And then click on save. As you can see, it has been saved. So you just need to remove your online store password in order to access this right here. So as you can see, to let anyone access your store, you need to pick a plan. So you don't actually have to do this. But we need to subscribe to Shopify Premium in order to pick a plan right here and actually connect your Google Merchant. So once you have picked a plan and did everything right here, you can click on the complete setup and here to complete all of these things. It will take some hours or days in order to complete the verification, but once it's set, it will be able to appear on the search engine of Google. So that's the whole process. If we have found this video helpful, leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.